Well, you can get more money back on your taxes right now. Tonight, ABC Action News reporter Jackie Calloway is taking action for your money, revealing the top 5 credits and deductions you might qualify for. Jackie?
Well, Wendy, last year Congress extended a number of the credits and deductions to bolster taxpayers' bottom line. Here's what you need to know to take full advantage of these tax breaks before you file. The first biggie? Don't miss out on sales tax deductions. Every tax-paying Floridian should take full advantage of the sales tax break. Clearwater CPA Chuck O'Donnell says people overlook the fact they can add on major purchases.
So if you buy a car, you buy a boat, or let's say you buy an RV, and you got significant sales tax, you can add that to your additional standard deduction for the sales tax.
Got a kid in school, or maybe you went back to college? You have 2 options for write-offs. Make sure you don't take the wrong one. The first is the American Tax Opportunity Tax Credit. It provides a tax credit of up to $2 grand.
You get a tax credit, which will reduce your income tax liability dollar for dollar.
You'll want to compare it to the deduction for qualified higher education expenses.
You can deduct on the face of the return up to, I believe, up to $4,000 on the front of your tax return.
Congress also rescued the deduction of mortgage interest premiums.
Now you can still take it off as an additional interest expense on your on mortgage interest on your return.
Here's a big one for the senior crowd. Those 70 and a half and older must take distributions from their retirement accounts. But if you direct that distribution to a charity, it's a double tax break.
You do not pay any income tax on that distribution, and you will get the deduction for making that charitable contribution to the charity.
Now, aside from overlooking certain deductions, take the biggest mistake that this tax preparer says that he sees people make: errors on the health plan paperwork if you bought insurance from the Obamacare marketplace. Now, make sure you're taking all the credits that are allowed. And on an up note, well, the filing deadline has been pushed back this year. It's April 18th because of a holiday in Washington, D.C.